Atomic Structure MCQ Question 7. First up, we must realize that in this case here, we are talking about atoms of element Q. So 2882 is actually referring to the atoms. So now we know that if we look at the electron atom. So in this case here, let's look at each of them one by one. For option A, it says it forms an ionic compound with sodium. We know that sodium is a metal. And we know that element Q is a metal. So hence, option A is wrong as sodium is not a non-metal. Next up, we look at option B. Okay, option B is, next up we look at option C. C says that it has 2 protons in the valence shell of an atom. Now, this is a misconception here. A lot of times we will just look at the question and we realize, oh, okay, 2 protons, maybe true, 2882. However, please take note of this keyword here. We are looking at the keyword protons. Take note, protons are in the nucleus and not on the valence shell. Therefore, C is the wrong rules. So we know A is out, C is out. Next up, we look at D. It is unreactive. Now, what elements are unreactive? We must realize that only when the element or the atom or the ion has its valence shell fully filled, then we will have a stable and unreactive element. However, in this case here, Q is last shell here. Okay, last shell here does not have a full electronic configuration. The valence shell is not fully filled. Therefore, D is also wrong. Okay, so D is also wrong. C is wrong. So now our only possible answer is B. So let's look at B. We know that for Q to become stable, Q will actually lose 2 electrons to obtain a noble gas electronic configuration. Hence, it will form an ion of a charge of +2. That means Q will become a Q2+. Hence, B is the correct answer.